So if you're anything like me, when you're done riding your machine, you want to give it a good cleaning. Well, this hasn't been ridden in a while. I've done a few mods and updates to it since I bought it, but we'll talk about that another time if you guys want to see it. But you know, when you clean it, it just doesn't come quite that clean, and there's still mud on certain things and on the hoses, as you can see there and there. Not on the A-arms because they're new, but you know, all your hoses and stuff back in there, you see what I'm talking about. That stuff. It doesn't ever come off the tires, and you can see that no matter how much you spray. That's an unused tire, still nice and black. That's a dirty one. And that's just all the mud and stuff, and I want to try something new. They call it booty juice, and it's 50-50 mix in your sprayer, your power sprayer, and it's 50% your degreaser of choice. I like Simple Green. And your laundry detergent. And I'm using OxyClean because it was cheap. And I'm getting ready to fire that boy up right there. Well, let's give this machine a good douching and see what it looks like. All right, she's all done, washed. The booty juice, I do not give it a very good mark, but on most everything except for the tires. The tires really didn't come too darn clean. Considering everything else came really clean. Take a look for yourself. That mud just did not come off. But all the hoses and everything under there came out really nice. I mean, even the brake line shroud, I mean, it came out clean. The CV boots came out clean. That came out reasonably clean. The back tires did okay, but then the front tires really sucked. These CVs came out clean. I had a little bit of splatter here from the hose, but that'll wipe off if I feel like doing it. So, spare tire rack, my control, this is what I use to haul my spare tools, or tools I take with me. Of course, this is for my navigation. The seats came really clean. I'm very happy with the way they turned out. I was very shocked on how dirty they were, considering how clean they are now. My fender flares I put on, Power J arms, the roll cage I put on it. Of course, 32-inch tires. But the booty juice is what this is all about. The booty juice did okay. So the booty juice did okay. I'm not, like I said, I'm not really particularly, I'm not going to give it an A or A plus or B plus. I'm going to give it a B minus or something, because it was supposed to remove the mud because of the laundry detergent and the degreaser. So honestly, I thought it would look better than what it did, but it turned out better than it did. But the tires, maybe, I guess tires are always going to need a good scrubbing, whether you want to or not. And if that's all I really got to do is just scrub it with that, I guess that's not so bad. But all in all, the Z950 looks pretty darn good. Quite pleased. But anyway, if you want to know about all the extras I've done to this thing, just leave me a comment and I'll put something on there for you. All right, peace. God bless.